Hey, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, this is Rachel. This is the place you come for tips and tricks, hacks and mods, campsite reviews and more.
All right, today, excellent topic that I wish I had as a newbie. What are your top emergency repair items that we always keep on hand? So this is it. We're gonna lay it down, show you what we got. Drop in the comments what your top emergency items are so that we can all learn from each other as well. If you're in a pop-up camper, you have canvas and vinyl. If you have a rip, which I've heard can happen at times, damage happens, right? A sewing awl is cheap. This was like $5. It's very sharp. It even came with thread, and this is nylon thread. You just thread it up and you can learn how. Actually, we have a video about how to do it in addition to its own directions.
Not too hard.
Not too hard. Very cheap, easy fix. If you're experiencing some canvas damage, whip that out. You can get her done. It is not Speedy. Some people call it, one brand name is the Speedy Stitch. We call it the not so Speedy Stitch, but it is great to have on hand. We have used it to repair our awning bag, and it's holding strong.
It was not so speedy on the awning bag because we did it all the way across and doubly did it. So yeah. I didn't want to have to fix it again in a year or two, so I kind of overdid it on it.
So if you do have some damage, don't panic. You don't necessarily have to replace your entire vinyl for $1,000, $1,500. You might just be able to get you a $5 Speedy Stitcher.
Yep.
Sewing awl.
And a half hour, and
do it up. You got this.
That one took a few hours on the awning, but number 4, duct tape.
Good old duct tape. Don't leave home without it.
Fixes everything. Fixes everything.
Fixes everything, right? I mean, this is kind of a no-brainer, but seriously, have some duct tape. What have we used duct tape on?
Oh, gosh, everything. The flap side of the panel on after our tire blowout. We had it on our electrical cord that likes to come out and dangle halfway down the side of the camper a time or two.
So keep it on hand for emergencies. Works wonders. Now,
this is a good one.
This is a good one that we'd never even thought about before. Talk about this.
Well, I had thought about it, but I didn't pack it, and then I needed it. So now we pack it. It's sheet metal tape. It's aluminum tape or HVAC tape. It's pretty darn sticky stuff. That stuff can work too. It's stronger, more waterproof, and it just gives a stronger hold. More of a watertight seal. We have it on our broken wheel well that we put back in, screwed it back in, taped it with a few straps of that, and it's almost as good as new. We need to do some hot glue around the bottom because we got a little water in really rainy trip over here and went through a big puddle. I think we got a little extra water on board because of it. So anyways, that can come in handy on a couple different things, but definitely a really good thing if you had a tire blowout and ripped up your wheel well and wanted to screw your wheel well back in and reuse it. That will work wonders.
So this is good for what? Plastic, metal, right? What else? Anything else?
Yeah, it's just really sticky and it's a little stronger than duct tape, I'd say.
Number 2, this stuff is amazing. Tear Aid vinyl repair. It's made for like boats and other things. It is clear. We actually haven't bought this. This is from the previous owners, and they told us the story. When they bought the camper, it was brand new. They paid to have it in storage. They got it back the next season, and they had mouse damage. Not a lot, but they've got about 3 mouse holes on one of our bunk ends. You never see it because we actually have a mural thing hanging there that everybody loves. We love. Part of the reason, actually, we had that in our old camper too, but it covers it lovely, but it has held for over 10 years. It's never had to be reapplied. It's only applied from the outside, not even both sides. You just cut the size that you need, apply it according to the directions, and it has held and held and held. This stuff's amazing.
Yeah, and it's very versatile. You can use it on a multitude of things. ATV seats, boat seats, pool liners. You get sticks on your pool liner. But definitely a good application for your vinyl top on your pop-up camper or on your hybrid for your bunk out ends there. pool liner, but party tents. It's pretty thin, but this stuff again is really tough, and
It's really tough.
It's pretty versatile. You just clean it and clean it real good and put it on there. We saw some different circle patches, so I think there's several different makers and ways you can buy that. But it's hard to screw up, I think. Just follow the instructions, guys.
Follow the good old
Follow the
instructions.
instructions, guys. You'll be fine. And number
Last
one is good old screenmen. Dogs. I don't know if you're bringing cats out camping, but they could probably scratch it. But kids can scratch their toys, a stick. If you have a
Or
good
just
storm.
make errors in setup and tear down. If you didn't have the screen pushed in and you thought you did, and it just rubbed something the wrong way.
So this is a 5x7, a couple of them, and you know it's like $5, $6, $7 at Menards. Maybe we'll drop a link for something on YouTube.
We'll drop links for everything. So if you just done.
But you can just cut this to whatever size. We have a small, like inch, needs to get fixed still, and we don't really get much bugs through it, but you just fix it so it doesn't get bigger. And this would be a great product for keeping bugs out and letting that breeze in.
All right. So those are our top 5 emergency repair items. Keep on hand. You never know what you might need. And thank you for watching. What are your items, or what did you get caught wishing you had to borrow from a neighbor, whatever? Let us know what you guys have experienced. We love to learn from our viewers as well. Thank you for watching Adventures and Pop-Ups.
Yep.
Happy camping.
Happy camping, guys. Oh, and we also do recommend you use a checklist to help you know what to pack and to help yourself be fully equipped and packed. And then it helps you to narrow down what you need, what you don't need. If you have something packed, you need more space, and you've not used it, then you can take it out. But these are things you might just always want to keep on hand in case you need them in an emergency pinch. Then you don't have to go buy them again if you already have.